Hello folks, so for Christmas, Mary asked for a Stitch Fix and it came a few days before Christmas. So, let's see what's in it, Mary.
I'm using a girl because it's my first sword and this is my first Stitch Fix.
Okay.
I can handle a sword. This is how you handle swords.
You know, I recorded an unboxing with Collier today. She's the 3-year-old, Mary's niece. She grabbed your plastic sword and started whacking me with it during the unboxing.
Good child. Put that back. Alright. Alright. Oh,
really
it comes in
curious.
a little bag now?
Oh, you got shoes.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Oh, you never get shoes. That's right, because your feet are broken.
Yep.
Alright. This is the thing, right?
That's your invoice. Don't look at that
Oh,
yet.
okay.
Hand that to me. I'll
So
look
wait, the
at
notes on here?
it. Yep.
Ah! Dexterity.
Hey.
Okay. Hello, Mary. Welcome to the Stitch Fix family. I'm so excited to style your first fix! Exclamation points. I'm really excited. From your profile, I see that you like to keep it pretty casual, so your fix is full of laid-back styles with many pockets. Yeah, I asked specifically for pockets. As many pockets as I could find. I started with a great pair of skinny jeans by Judy Blue. These have the perfect amount of stretch and can be dress up or down. Wear these jeans with the Pullover by Evolution by Cyrus. Okay. I wanted to give you a coat with some deep pockets, so I included a cargo jacket by Eden Society. I love the idea of layering the jacket over the pullover, and I wanted to send a cute but casual blouse, so I sent a button-down top from Cosmic Blue Love. I hope you love everything in your fix. XO Randy.
Randy. Randy with
Have
an
you
I
ever
or a
had
Y?
An I.
Okay, that's probably a female Randy then.
Shoes. Should I pull the shoes out first, or should I show the bundle?
Show the bundle first.
That's what you do. Ugh. There's one more thing in there. It looks right, correct, dark things. You like this Band-Aid stuff, right?
Yeah, show it up to the camera here.
Oh, alright.
Okay. Here's the shoe, a sneaker, and I call that Band-Aid material. It's like a suede with holes in it. I don't know, is that you?
Know. The color is, I'm not sure about like this cut, if it was lower and looked more sneaker-like. I don't know, I'll try them
on. Try them on and see. Oh, you need your bundle.
See.
Here's your bundle. It can take a few fixes for them to kind of feel you.
This is a red.
You gotta show the camera.
It feels really nice.
Oh, this is the jacket. I thought this was a shirt.
No, it's a jacket. And
It's
it's
a
got
white
pockets.
jacket.
Let's see how deep the pockets are. Oh, these are sewn pockets. Okay, they're not fake, they're sewn. You get a seam ripper for those pockets. And I think it's little pockets there.
Okay, well,
There.
try it on.
This one, I
Very
actually
light
like
jacket.
this.
Oh, I actually like that too.
It's lighter than what I normally wear. I normally go with like darker colors, but I like the like if this was a black and blue or like a green and brown or something,
You'd like it better
I'd like it better.
than the light.
I like it.
Okay. Now, most of
Smells
the
like
time you
new
tend to wear
clothes.
guy shirts, button-up guy
I
shirts.
do.
And
I did tell them that I wear dudes' clothes in my thingy thing, so they,
Okay.
I don't know.
In your thingy thing?
In my thingy thing, in the thing where you,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Said women's pants never have enough pockets, right?
No, they're not deep enough, that's the problem. But
Ooh. Ooh, that's soft.
this, I want to get this to sleep in. It's, it's sweater.
The pullover. It's got a hood on it.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Really heavy.
It's dark.
And skinny jeans, let me tell you how I feel like my hips are going to explode out of this.
Yeah, Mary
I've got big hips.
has hips on her, which
Oh.
is amazing that guys' clothes fit. Actually, the waist, those will never
they
fit
might
you.
Fit. You don't
I
think?
don't think they will fit your hips.
Well, we'll see.
We'll find out. All right, I guess we'll do a try on.
Yes.
All right.
See.
Stay tuned. First, Mary said she was wearing guy jeans. She wears guy jeans because they have nice deep pockets.
You can't tell because they're guys' skinny jeans, so they're like tight. But the difference is I can fit my whole hands in the pockets. And that that is why I wear men's jeans.
Right. And in the back.
Girls' jeans go about here.
Yeah.
I can't stand that because I don't carry a purse. And then the back, you can tell because the pockets are, like, lower.
Yeah.
Whereas, like, there's much more contouring in girls' jeans.
And the waist on those is large for you, but your hips kind of hold them up and you wear a belt.
I've got big hips and I wear a belt.
Yeah. All right, let's try the Stitch Fix jeans on and compare them and see how it will work. I have no idea why my iPad is shooting this so grainy, probably because there's not a lot of light in here right now. Anyway, Mary says, look, wiggle your fingers. Can you see where the pocket is?
The pockets go
on girls' jeans.
And this is where they go on guys' jeans.
Okay. I really like that shirt. I know you're not wild about
I like the cut. I hate the color. It whitewashes me out.
Yeah.
I look better in darker colors. The cut's okay, I guess. I didn't actually look in the mirror, you know, so I have no idea what this looks like.
So now Mary is taller than I am. Mary is 5'5", and those jeans are still long on her.
You said to put down and my legs be long, so I'm gonna blame you.
Okay, well I did, because compared to me you have long legs, but I guess you have average legs. Okay.
These fit pretty well and they're extremely comfortable and really stretchy, but I hate pockets like this.
They're too short, the pockets. Turn around.
I don't carry a purse.
Okay. Yeah, they fit nice in the back. They fit really nice.
I want to make a point. I want to just see it sticking out. I'm making a point, that's all.
Okay, so the pockets aren't deep enough for you.
Yeah, I don't know though. I might still, I don't know, because I never carry a purse.
Yeah.
I have to think about these, because they're really, really comfortable. I just hate that
Stitch Fix jeans are amazingly comfortable.
I hate pockets like this.
That top looks very you.
I can't see it because I'm wearing it.
Okay. You look a little bit like Darth Sidious.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. All right, turn around. I really like that on you. Just a little bit. Ooh. Ooh. I rather like that jacket. You'll have to figure out if the pockets are deep enough. Okay. So that's all buttoned up. Turn around. And that. Okay. You're still wearing the Stitch Fix jeans. There's that little detail there. And that collar sticking up there. I really like that jacket. Mary just tried everything on and she wanted to show you guys something that she noticed in this top.
I don't like how it hangs like this. It would look much better if it was like that. Does that look right, Mom?
Yeah, you actually pulled it even a little snugger in the upstairs by the mirror. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, because you can see how thin Mary is. And
well, it's not even that. It's just the baggy cuts don't look as good on me. Like in that hoodie thing, it's fine because it's like a hoodie thing. But like, if I'm gonna get a button-up shirt, I want it to be more fitted. And you have decided on those jeans already? Yes, I'm keeping the jeans. I'm thinking about the red thing. And you're all nice when you do this. You're like, I'm thinking about this top by this brand, and I'm like, that thing. And I like the blue thing, so I might keep the blue thing. That would look really nice if it was tailored a little bit. If it was tailored like this, I don't think I'd get it because I don't like the color. Right. And like what color did you ask them to send you? Green. Forest or olive green. Like okay. Cherry greens, olive green. Okay. Recap. So, Mary, let me read each item. Mm-hmm. And item names and descriptions and prices will be in the description box below. So you've definitely decided to keep the jeans. Mm-hmm. And this thing? I really want to keep this thing. Okay. Now you want to show the sleeve? Yeah, I just saw it. Where'd it go? It's hiding. Okay. There we go. It's got a spot, which I don't care about, but somebody else in this video cares about it a lot, so I'll probably... It's got a stain on it. Exchange it. Yeah, it's Mary like doesn't not really... even that big. Well, this, I don't know. I feel like, you know, and this is one thing, guys, when you're trying on clothes from Stitch Fix, please be careful, because I suspect someone tried it on and returned it, and they got some kind of a stain on the sleeve or a mark on the sleeve. Mary said, so what, I'll wash it. It is her call. It's her box. It's her Christmas present. Okay, so you're keeping the jeans. You're probably keeping that. Mm-hmm. I don't particularly like this just because of the cut. I like more fitted cuts. It doesn't even have to be like strangulatingly snug, strangulatingly. So. Mm-hmm. It doesn't have to be super snug, just like tailored nicely. Mm-hmm. And that's like a style right now, but I personally don't care for it. I actually really like that shirt, although I would want a different color too. I like that kind of cut. A different like body
I'm
shape
definitely
than me.
a different shape.
No, not even then, like, weight-wise, you're just a different shape.
And here's the cargo jacket.
I'm considering this. I don't know.
What do you think about the color on her? I'm thinking an olive green would be killer in this.
Oh, I would take that in green in a heartbeat.
Yeah.
So.
Well, you can give your opinion on how you thought it looked, and of course, this is a...
Yeah, that's a no. I don't like the cut of that. I don't like that bit. If it was shorter and more like a loafer?
A loafer?
Yeah.
Like my CVs, yeah.
Then I might exchange it for a size up because they were also too small, but...
Okay, what size is this?
I think I put 8.5 on mine.
It's 8.5, so you'll need a 9.
I'll have to change my thing to 9. Although it probably just depends on like the brand and stuff.
So we look for your input below. Let us know what you think. And Mary extended her date because it's the Christmas holidays right now and we're crazy. She extended her return date, so we'll take a look at what you say. I guess, will you take a look at what they say?
Yeah.
And see their input?
I'll look.
That's what I always say. Well, I would like to see your reaction.
I want to know what they
and
think
input.
about the jacket because I don't care what they say about these two things because I'm keeping them.
Okay.
But like the jacket.
All right.
The jacket.
Okay. All right. Well, have a Merry Christmas, and we will see you
New Year.
soon, and a Happy New Year. You'll see me before New Year. You'll see me before Christmas, too. I am getting a Stitch Fix just after Christmas, so you will see me then, too. Bye-bye.